The life story of Mr. Beast. A journey from YouTube novice to philanthropic powerhouse. Introduction. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, is a name that resonates with millions of people worldwide. He has become synonymous with viral stunts, massive giveaways, and groundbreaking philanthropy. His journey from a small town boy to a global influencer and philanthropist is not just fascinating but also an inspiring example of how creativity and generosity can change the world. Early life and background. Jimmy Donaldson was born on May 7, 1998, in Greenville, North Carolina. Raised in a modest household, Jimmy was the eldest of two siblings. His father worked in various jobs to support the family, while his mother took care of the home. From a young age, Jimmy showed an affinity for computers and video games. His early exposure to the digital world played a significant role in shaping his future career. As a teenager, Jimmy attended Greenville Christian Academy but didn't particularly excel in traditional academics. Instead, he found his passion in creating content online. He started his YouTube channel at the age of 13 under the name MrBeast 6000. Initially, his content consisted of gaming videos, commentary, and reactions, which were typical for YouTube creators of that era. The rise to fame. Jimmy's breakthrough came in 2017 when he began to experiment with high-concept, high-budget stunts. One of his early viral videos involved counting to 100,000, a feat that took him over 40 hours. The video, while seemingly simple, showcased Jimmy's dedication and willingness to push boundaries, traits that would become hallmarks of his content. Following this, MrBeast gained further traction with his creative and often extreme challenges. His videos ranged from "Last to leave the circle wins $10,000" to "Giving $1 million worth of stuff to random people." These videos not only entertained but also showcased his willingness to give back to the community in unprecedented ways. A key moment in MrBeast's career was his series of videos where he gave away large sums of money to strangers, friends, and even his own subscribers. The sheer scale of his giveaways and the genuine reactions of the recipients helped cement his reputation as a YouTube sensation. His approach was different from other content creators because it combined entertainment with genuine philanthropy. The growth of MrBeast's brand. As MrBeast's popularity grew, so did his ambitions. In 2019, he launched the MrBeast Burger chain, which initially started as a delivery-only concept but later expanded into physical locations. The venture was not just about creating another fast food option but about leveraging his massive following to create a brand that reflected his personality and values. Simultaneously, MrBeast expanded his content horizons. He began producing larger-scale stunts and challenges, such as recreating the entire Squid Game series with real-life contestants, complete with impressive sets and significant cash prizes. These videos not only drew millions of views but also set new benchmarks for what was possible on YouTube. Philanthropy and social impact. One of the defining aspects of MrBeast's career is his commitment to philanthropy. His charitable efforts have been both diverse and impactful. In 2019, he launched the #TeenTrees initiative in collaboration with the Arbor Day Foundation, aiming to plant 20 million trees by the end of the year. The campaign exceeded its goal, raising over $20 million and leading to the planting of millions of trees worldwide. MrBeast's charitable work extends beyond tree planting. He has organized and funded numerous projects, including food banks, homeless shelters, and educational programs. His Beast Philanthropy channel is dedicated to showcasing and supporting these charitable endeavors. The transparency with which he handles his philanthropic work has earned him widespread admiration and trust. Challenges and criticisms. Despite his success, Mr. Beast has faced challenges and criticisms. His high-stakes videos and stunts have sometimes raised concerns about safety and the ethics of his challengers. Critics argue that the large sums of money given away in videos could be better used through more traditional charitable avenues. However, Jimmy has consistently defended his approach by highlighting the positive impact of his work and the joy it brings to both recipients and viewer. Personal life and values. Beyond the camera, Jimmy Donaldson is known for his humility and dedication to his craft. He remains close to his family and often involves them in his videos, reflecting his down-to-earth nature. Despite his fame and fortune, he leads a relatively private life and continues to focus on content creation and philanthropy. Jimmy's values are evident in his approach to both his content and charitable work. He is driven by a genuine desire to make a difference and inspire others to do the same. His emphasis on generosity, community, and creativity underscores his commitment to using his platform for good. Legacy and future prospects. As of 2024, Mr. Beast's influence shows no signs of waning. He continues to innovate and expand his brand, with new projects and ventures constantly on the horizon. His impact on the YouTube platform and the broader social media landscape is profound, setting new standards for content creation and philanthropy. Looking ahead, Mr. Beast's future is likely to involve even more ambitious projects and charitable initiatives. His ability to combine entertainment with meaningful social impact positions him as a role model for aspiring content creators and philanthropists alike. Conclusion. Jimmy Donaldson, or Mr. Beast, is more than just a YouTube sensation. He is a cultural phenomenon whose journey from a small-town teenager to a global influencer is both remarkable and inspiring. His innovative content, combined with a deep commitment to philanthropy, has redefined what is possible in the digital age. As he continues to push boundaries and make a difference, Mr. Beast's story serves as a powerful reminder of the impact that creativity, generosity, and determination can have on the world.